Welcome back, everyone. Passing information to your server is crucial for web development. There are many ways to do that, but one of them is query parameters. If I do a quick search on Google for Coding Dojo, for example, you see the URL here on top. Now, query parameters are everything that come after this question mark, and they come in a key value pair format. So, for example, source is the key, HP is the value. Let's add another query parameter. EI is the key, this whole string is a value. Now, how can we set that up with Spring Boot? So I have some sample code here, and we have a REST controller, the same home controller, and we have add request mapping slash, and we have this add request param value q string search query. Now, request param is how we say that this method is going to accept query parameters. Okay, so let's turn on the server here, and for example, let's go to localhost 8080, and again, we need the question mark, and the key, it's q. So the key is whatever is in the is the value. So key q is equal to let's say Eduardo, and you search for Eduardo, which is exactly the text that I wrote here. So the value of this q key is being saved in search query. Now let's see what happens if I just go to slash. Okay, so we get an error, and required string parameter q is not present. So we're saying that we need q, but it's not present. So a way that to get around that, or a way to not require it, it will be to write require equals to false. Simply as that. Very simple. Now, if I refresh, you see that you search for no now. But if I put something else, q equals to Michael, right now I could say Michael. And I could do some simple code here. If search query equals to null, then I want the string. I want to return you search for nothing, right? Else return what we had previously, right? Cool, very simple. Let's refresh our server. Let's see what happens. If I put Michael, it should still show up as Michael, right? Or Daniel. There we go. If I don't put anything, oops, you search for nothing. No, oops, I forgot right here to take this out. So if I put there, you search for nothing. There we go. So these are query parameters. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.